How to find your Zoom recordings on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Zoom recordings on your Windows device. So let's get started. First of all, simply search for your Zoom and open up your Zoom application. After you open up your Zoom application, you should find a settings option. Search for your setting options. It should be some three dots on the right hand side. If you don't find it, it's completely all right. Simply head over to your profile on the top right, and then you should find the settings. Open up the settings, and after you open up your settings, you will see on the left hand side different options. Go to recording, and here you should find your file location. So you can simply tap on open, and after you tap on open, the file recordings should open up. So as you can see right here, in this location, all of your Zoom recordings will get saved. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.